Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Nestled in the cool hills of West Road, Mandeville, you'll find your dream house. This three-story family home is built with 10 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, and 2 laundry facilities. The large family dining and sitting rooms create the perfect environment for great family memories. This beautifully landscaped property is well footed, has multiple car park space, and is located on 0.28 acres or 12,197 square feet of land. This furnished property is centrally located in a quiet community with upscale homes and is approximately 5 minutes from all the essential services. It also provides for investment opportunities with rentable spaces. There is so much details to this lovely property. Please don't hesitate. Other features includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, cable, jacuzzi, central location, easy access, family oriented, golf course nearby, and landscape. The current price of this house is Jamaican 47.5 million or US $305,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.